Planning an event is exciting, but managing registrations can quickly get messy. Between tracking signups in spreadsheets, following up with people manually, and trying to keep everything organized, it's easy to lose time and make mistakes. That's why having a clear event registration form is essential. It helps you collect the right information, stay organized, and give your attendees a smooth experience from the start. We've made it easy with an event registration form template you can copy and start using right away. It includes everything you need: fields for attendee details, validation on submit, confirmation messages, and a clean layout that looks great on any device. You can connect the form to any backend you use, whether that's Airtable, Supabase, Smartsheet, or your own API. And if you want to make changes, it's simple. You can add new fields, remove the ones you don't need, and update the design to match your brand. You can even trigger powerful automations on form submit with Zapier, Make, or N8N via Webhooks. So start with our template, make it your own, and have your event registration form live in a few minutes.